The moment is approaching. The nursery is ready, and the countdown begins. But is your hospital bag packed? Let's ensure you're prepared with the ultimate hospital bag checklist for expecting moms. First things first, comfort and care for mom are paramount. Pack a cozy robe and slippers for those walks down the hospital corridor. Include a couple of maternity gowns or comfortable clothes for after delivery. Don't forget the nursing bras and pads for breastfeeding. Toiletries are a must. Think toothbrush, toothpaste, hairbrush, and lip balm for those dry lips. Important documents like your ID, insurance information, and birth plan should be at the top of your bag. And of course, pack your phone charger to keep your devices powered up. Now for the little one. The hospital usually provides the basics, but you'll want to bring a few items from home. Pack a going-home outfit in newborn and 0, 3-month sizes just in case. Include a soft blanket for the ride home and a few diapers, although the hospital will likely supply these during your stay. Don't forget the car seat. It's essential for that first journey home. For added comfort, consider packing some extras. A pillow from home can make your hospital stay more comfortable. Snacks and drinks for you and your partner will come in handy during labor and after delivery. Some women find relief in a massage oil or stress ball during labor. And for those moments of downtime, a book or magazine can be a welcome distraction. Packing your hospital bag doesn't have to be stressful. With this checklist, you'll have everything you need for the big day. Remember, the focus is on you and your baby's comfort and health. Happy packing!